Hello viewers and crypto community, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So dear viewers, what if I told you there's a system where you can start with just $10 in SOL and participate in a 100% transparent blockchain process? Stay tuned until the end of this video. I am going to walk you through exactly how the Donut Coin metric system works. Before we get into the details, here I would like to suggest all my viewers, if you are new to my YouTube channel NFT GM Studio, please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out notification of the further upcoming videos. So dear viewers, keep it in mind, this video is being made only for the informational and educational purpose. It must not be considered as financial investment advice. Let's jump into the details of the Donut meme coin. So here we will discuss about it. Today I will explain one of the most interesting systems I have seen in the crypto space. We will break down each metric slot and show you how you can get started step by step. First of all, we will discuss about Donut Coin. Donut Coin is built on the Solana blockchain with goal of creating a decentralized, self-sustaining economy. It rewards people who actively help the ecosystem grow, and its key features are doesn't favor large investors, runs on proof of community, and rewards real activity, not speculation, operates with full blockchain transparency. And the important note is its limited supply. Donut Coin has a fixed supply of 21 million tokens with 99% locked in a vault and released gradually based on community participation. Now we will discuss metric system, how it works. So here first of all we will go to the white paper of the Donut Coin. Here is the white paper. So first of all we will discuss how it works. So first step is the registration. When you join, you use someone referral link. You will fill the next available slot in the matrix, and there is the 3 slot system. So you can see the 3 slots, slot 1, slot 2 and slot 3. So we will discuss one by one. Here is the slot 1. Token burn ecosystem support. $10 in SOL buys Donut from the liquidity pool, and then you will have to purchase tokens are instantly burned. This reduces supply and support liquidity. It is recommended that you must have $15 in your wallet because the transaction fees will be also deducted from it. So slot 2 is $10 in SOL is locked in smart contract and funds are held until the matrix completes. And the slot 3 is the reward system. Here you can check reward and renewal unlocks the $10 from slot 2 into your wallet. Register your matrix as complete for the airdrop. Create a new empty matrix so you can keep participating, and then passes the deposit up to your referral. So it's a smart escalation. Completed deposits move upward until an empty slot is found. Every deposit is always assigned somewhere in the system. The bonus, when your referral complete their own matrices, it also complete. You are creating a cascading growth effect. Now we will discuss the airdrop event of the Donut. So here you can see the details about the airdrop. Weekly token distribution from the 21 million vault Donut tokens are released over 36 weeks. Here you can check out the details in the white paper. The complete schedule has been given, how the weekly distribution curve has been created and how the weekly distribution meme coins will be distributed. Week 1 will be 17,401 token will be distributed, and week 2 figure is 20,125 token will be distributed. And up till now, here you can check the details. 36 week. In the last week, the 2,829,647 coin will be distributed. So the next question is how to qualify. You will have to complete at least one matrix. The more you complete, the bigger your share of weekly drop. If you want to stay active to earn, register with a referral link. Create your own referral link. After joining, share your link and invite people. No referrals, no rewards. Here we will discuss how to get started step by step. So first of all, we will have to prepare our wallet, get Phantom or Solflare wallet, buy at least $15 in SOL to cover network fees, and then we will use registration link. The link has been given in the description, and then you will have to connect your wallet, select your wallet provider, approve the connection, and then activate your matrix. And then we will have to confirm all the transaction. Multiple transactions will appear, all are normal and secure, and then we will get our referral link. So here we will try to connect our wallet. So dear viewers, here you can see that we can connect our wallet on Solana to continue. We can connect Quantum Wallet, we can connect MetaMask Wallet, Phantom Wallet and Solflare Wallet. We will have to connect our wallet and then we will have to activate our matrix. So let's connect our Solflare. So here you can see. So viewers, here you can see that I have connected my Solflare wallet. So after connecting the wallet, we will have to activate the matrix. So here we will activate matrix and click activate matrix, and then we will have to confirm the $10 Sol transactions in our wallet. So dear viewers, we are going to perform it. Here first of all you must have Solana tokens into your wallet, cost $15 in Sol, and here we will first of all connect our Solflare wallet. So here I have selected my Solflare and then we will allow it to connect with the website. So after connecting our Solflare wallet, here we are entering the dashboard. So here you can see that we have entered the dashboard and here we will have to start our first matrix. So the donut coin is a deflationary coin and it's a limited supply with 21 million, and when you complete one cycle you can get reward of $10 in Sol and you can activate your, but the activation of matrices and the completion of circle is necessary. Without activating your matrix and completing a circle you cannot get reward. So here we were activated and here you can see that the process is have been explained in the video, and each time you complete it you can get $10 in Sol. So it will require three conditions to complete it, and after fulfilling these conditions we will successfully start our matrix. And here after the completion of the matrix we will be successful to create a referral link, and here you can see that it is in processing condition, and after some time it will be completed. And here you can see that the process have been completed, and here are the three slots which I have already explained, and in these slots you will put the referral link of one of your referrals, and by putting all the referrals in three slots you will move to the next step. And here you can see that this donut project you can grow by the growing of community. Without community you do nothing, and every week rewards are given and tokens are distributed. And here you can see that you can also take part, the date has been given, you can take part in the next airdrop, and this will be available when you will complete your matrix cycle 3 slot system, and then you will be able to get $10 in Sol as a reward after completing the circle. And here you can see that after the airdrop you can create your referral link, and if you want to create your referral link, here you will have to put your email address, and then you will have to create a username, and by full a code will be sent to your email, and after verifying the OTP you can successfully create your referral link and share it with your friends, community and families to make them in touch with donut. And as more as people you bring in the donut, you can grow. And this is the official Telegram community of the Donut project, and I would like to suggest all my viewers to join this community to get real-time updates, announcements about the Donut coin. And the next one is Donut Meme Coin YouTube channel, and I would like to suggest all my viewers to subscribe Donut YouTube channel to get real-time updates. Here videos have been provided, you can watch these videos to get familiar with this amazing project. Here is the official Twitter page of Donut on Twitter, and I would like to suggest all my viewers to follow this page to get real-time announcements, reward pools, and here you can get latest announcements, news and updates about the Donut. Dear viewers, 3 slot matrix with specific rules for each slot, real SOL reward when you matrix completes, weekly donut airdrop based on activity, 100% blockchain transparency, low starting point, $10 in Sol, but it is recommended to have $15 network fee coverage. If you are ready to get involved, use the link in the description to register, create your own referral link, share it and track your progress each week. So Donut is bringing so many opportunities. If you enjoyed this breakdown, please like this video, share it and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more clear and professional crypto insights. Thanks for watching. Stay informed, stay secure, and I will see you in the next one.